Hello all, welcome to AI Educator. In this video, let us discuss about regularization. Regularization is a technique which makes the slight modifications to the learning algorithm to make the model more generalized. This will improve the model performance on the unseen data as well. Regularization refers to a set of different techniques that lowers the complexity of neural network during the training and thus prevent the overfitting. Regularization adds a term to laws called as regularization term to penalize the larger weights to reduce the overfitting. Now, let us understand what overfitting and underfitting are. Underfitting usually happens when we have less data to build an accurate model, and also when we try to build a linear model with a nonlinear data. Occurrence of underfitting simply means that our model does not fit the data well enough. It's just like trying to fit an undersized pants. To reduce the underfitting, we can increase the model complexity and increase the number of epochs. And we can also remove the noise. Now, let us understand overfitting. Overfitting happens when the model gets trained with so much of data it started to learn from the noise and inaccurate data in our data set. Then the model does not categorize the data correctly because of too many details and noise. It is just like fitting ourselves in oversized pants. To reduce overfitting, we have to reduce the model complexity and we can also use regularization techniques to reduce the overfitting. Now, let us understand appropriate fit. Ideally, the case when the model makes the predictions with zero error is said to have a good fit on the data. This situation is achievable at a spot between overfitting and underfitting. With the passage of time, our model will keep on learning and thus the error for the model on the training and testing data will keep on decaying. If it learns for too long, the model will lead towards overfitting due to the presence of noise. Hence, the performance of our model will decrease. In order to get a good fit, we have to stop at a point just before the error started to increase. At this point, the model is said to have a good skills on training data as well as unseen test data. It is just like wearing a perfect sized pants. Now, let us see how regularization reduce overfitting. Regularization forces the weight parameters towards zero. Smaller weight parameters make some neurons negligible and hence the neural network becomes less complex and reduce overfitting. Regularization techniques like dropout will deactivate some random neurons to make the neural network less complex and reduce overfitting. In the next video, let us learn about two different regularization techniques, L1 and L2 regularizations.